So in this video, we are going to talk about Tesla. Now, if you had told me that when Trump was elected and Tesla stock was going to go up 100%, but then return the full ride and even go lower, I would not have believed you. I would have bet my paycheck on that. However, that's where we find ourselves. Back at the level where price rose 100%. Now, we do have some more bad news up front, but that's going to be up front. I think Tesla is a golden buy for long-term investors. Before we look at the charts, let's get into the latest news coming out of Tesla. So Tesla plans to introduce a more affordable version of its best-selling Model Y SUV have hit a delay, according to the Reuters report, citing three sources familiar with the matter. The EV maker is expected to provide more clarity on its product roadmap during its earnings report this week. According to Reuters, the company is also developing a stripped-down version of its Model 3 to further expand its mass market appeal. Now, the new lower-cost vehicle, internally referred to as E41, was originally expected to begin production in the U.S. in the first half of this year. However, sources now say the timeline has slipped, with production likely to begin between the third quarter and early 2025. Now, while the exact reason for the delay remains unclear, two of the sources told reporters that Tesla aims to produce 250,000 units of the budget Model Y in the U.S. by 2026. The vehicle is also slated for further production in China and Europe. Now, one thing to note, the E41 is expected to begin, and when it's made, it's going to cost 20% less to build the most recent refreshed Model Y. Now, Tesla fans and investors have been eagerly awaiting the company's rollout of more affordable EVs, which are viewed as a crucial reinvigorating demand amid falling sales and rising competition. I also believe that their energy division is not priced into the stock, and I think that has the opportunity to be even bigger than their car business. Nevertheless, this is the monthly chart. You get a bit of 300, which is a round psychological number. I think you move higher. That is the origin of the shoulders of this huge head and shoulder pattern that was established back between 2021 and 2022. Going down to the weekly chart. If you want confirmation that Tesla is a buy, wait for a break and a close above this downtrend line. Now, this is the daily chart. The 200-day moving average coincides with this shoulder level, $300, right? Anything below, you're in a secular bear market. Anything above it, you're in a secular bull market. Now, if you viewed my last video, I think Tesla is a screaming buy between 200 and 220. And don't take my word for it. Just look at what the smart money is doing. Every time we get touches at that $220 level, prices bid up. This is the pattern that I'm looking for. Maybe we do that, but I'm going to keep it as it is, as I do anticipate price moving down. Finding that liquidity before moving higher. So short term, more pain. Longer term, more glory. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.